Hi, this is Brett Ridgway with 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com, and today's mistake we're going to talk about is our mistake number 27, missing or poor use of your web page title. Now, this may well be the biggest mistake we see, or at least it's one that bugs us the most. This mistake is happening right now literally over 500 million times on the internet. And that's right, 500 million. What's the mistake? It's poor use of or not using your web page title. The web page title is what's displayed in the upper left corner of your web browser application. For example, if you go to Brett's site using Internet Explorer, Firefox, and visit my site 50biggestmistakes.com, you'll see at the very top of your browser window the icon for the browser application and the words, quote, 50 biggest mistakes, and then a vertical divider bar, information marketing mistakes, and then dash Internet Explorer or dash Mozilla Firefox, depending on which browser you're using. Now, this may seem trivial to you, but the fact that the title of your website is the first thing most search engines look at or spotter when they come to your web page. Earlier we mentioned this is happening right now over 500 million times on the web. Want proof? Do this little experiment. Open up your favorite web browser. Go to Google or Yahoo.com, and in the search box enter the phrase untitled document and click the search button. At the time this was being written, the results came back with over 30,500,000 listings. Untitled document is the default page name for Adobe Dreamweaver's web page application. Microsoft Front Page uses New Page, so you might imagine you would find a lot of results for that as well. No need to imagine. The current search turns up over 15 million listings for New Page right now. Simply by not entering a web page title when your site was first created has reduced your chance of the search engines finding you and the ranking of your site higher on their list. An even bigger mistake than a missing web page title made by internet marketers is poorly using your web page title. Here's another little experiment for you. In your browser search box, type in the phrase welcome to. At the time of this writing, this phrase returned 530 million results. Now, there's nothing wrong with welcoming people to your website, but if you're trying to get found, why would you want this to be part of your web page title? Wouldn't you want to make sure you use every possible advantage you can? So how do you fix this? If you're doing this yourself versus having your webmaster fix it, we recommend downloading your web page from your website to make sure you have the current version. If you're unsure about doing this, hire a webmaster, read up on using FTP software, or visit Frank's site, easywebcourse.com. Now, if you're ready to tackle this yourself, open up the page in your favorite web page editing software, or you can do this in Notepad as well. At the top of the page in Code View, you will see title and then untitled document title or something like that. Place what's there with the desired title, preferably something that is keyword rich for your product or niche, and then upload that page to your website. Be sure to check it out in your web browser to be sure it displays properly. Finally, test to see what works best. For other great website tips, please visit our site at 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com.